Hello, everyone. We're going to talk about page 5. And if you are a trumpet player and you want to follow this, you can. It's not the same fingering notes, but it's the same written note. Okay. So we're talking about Essential Elements book that we're working on. And we're going to do page 5. And we're talking about the repeat sign. So when you have a double bar, it means to stop, like a stop sign. But when you have two dots, it means to continue on to the beginning and play again one more time. All right, so we're going to play D. Now for the trumpets, it's going to be 1 and 3, right? But for the clarinets, it's thumb 1 and 2. Okay, so let's do the long haul, and we're going to play it as a whole note, and you can tap your toes so you get the beat. Ready? 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. When you're not playing, it might be a good idea to put your clarinet or your horn on your lap like this, so it's on your knee, so it doesn't fall. Don't ever put it on your music stand because it will fall and break. Oh, there we go. And we don't want that. So look at 4x4 and tell me if it has a repeat sign. Does it? Take a look. All right, so let's review what the notes are for the clarinet. Okay, so it's D, 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 E. So it's got the thumb too. Then it's rest, rest, rest. Then open G, 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 F, rest, rest, repeat. Okay, for the trumpets, you're going to have to remember that D is 1 and 3, and C is open. And you may say, well, we were playing open when we played our first note, which was open G. G and C are the same. They're open, but it's how you hold your embouchure, how you hold your mouth to make a sound. So it's going to be a little more firmer, and you need to have your embouchure right and your diaphragm firm. Okay, so let's work on that. Do you remember what E is on the trumpet? It's 2 fingers, right? And F is 1 finger. But for the clarinet, it's going to be D, 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 E, rest, rest, rest. G, 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 F. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, rest, rest. 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest, rest. Rest, rest. That's it. Okay. Touchdown is the new note C. So open for both clarinet and the trumpet. Except no, it's not open for the clarinet. It's thumb 1, 2, 3. Sorry about that. All right, let's go ahead and play C. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now we're going to do the Fab Five. And the Fab Five is got all kinds of notes now because we're playing 5 notes. That's half a scale. We can play some really fun pieces now just from that. So we're going to play C, 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 D, rest, rest, rest. G, G, F, F, E, rest, rest, rest. C, 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 D, rest, rest, rest. G, G, F, F, E. Then you can do this fancy little thing. It's C, C, B, B, C, 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 B, B, C. So what it is B is the lower B. It's the middle finger. And then C is thumb and 3 fingers. So for the trumpet, you'll have to look in the back of your book to see what it has on there for you to play B, because it's a low B. And it shows here it's the middle finger. It's the middle finger for the trumpet. How about that? All right. So if you ever want to look at the notes, check the last page of your book, and there's a fingering chart you can check out anytime. All right, here we go. My favorite piece, Fab Five. I like to call it the Five Guys for the restaurant. 1, 2, ready, play. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. I wonder if it should be B flat there. Sounds better. Oh yeah, B flat. Okay, good. All right, so we're going to do 11, 12, and 13. And if you'll notice, they didn't write the names of the notes on there anymore. They want you to try and memorize now what the notes are. Because we're just starting, you can go ahead and copy mine. You can stop this tape and see if you can write them down. But number 11 is the same as number 10. They just didn't write the notes name on the notes. You see that? And then for first flight, you can write those names too. All right. Now, the bottom part, I want you to try and do on your own. Essential Elements quiz, if you can do that and write the right names of the notes on there, then I'll have a special treat for you next time you come, okay? So right now, we're going to try and talk about what's in this little yellow part here. And it talks about the treble clef. And the treble clef is showing you Mrs. Treble Clef. She is circling the G line of the staff. And so her nickname is G Clef. Then the 4/4 is called a time signature. The top number is how many beats are in the measure. So there's 4 there. And the bottom one, that number tells you the quarter note gets the beat. And then there's the names of the notes from C all the way to F. And as you notice, when you get to G, you go back to A again. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay? Right now we can play some songs since we have half of a scale known to us. Okay? So 11. You ready? 1, 2, on C, go. Rest, rest, rest. Rest, rest, rest. Rest, rest, rest. Rest, rest, rest. Okay, so when you aren't using your clarinet, or you might want to put the clarinet cap on there so it won't break your reed. They can be pricey when you have to buy new ones. Let's do number 12, first flight. Okay, so it's E, E, D, D, C, C, C. Rest, G, G, F, F, E, D, C. And repeat. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest. Rest, repeat. Rest. All right. So make sure you do that Essential Elements quiz at the bottom, and I will see you next time. All right. Happy practicing.